Hi, grade 3. For today's math work, you're going to be working on mass. And mass is the amount of matter in an object. The heavier the object is, the greater the mass. The lighter the object is, the less the mass. So I'm going to start off with two pictures because in your workbook today, you're going to be working with pictures and not real things. But I would suggest taking some time today to maybe find some objects around your house and give a feel, put one in each hand, and try to think which one is heavier, which one is lighter, which one would have a greater mass, which one would have a less mass. So just do that for a bit before you do the pages in your workbook today. So I've got a couple pictures. My first picture, oh, there it is, right there. You tell me what animal that is? If you said an ant, you're right. I've got another animal. It's a cat. Which of these animals would be heavier? Which one would have more mass? The cat or the ant? Think about that. If you said the cat was heavier, I would say you're right. And if you said the ant was lighter, I'd say you're right too. In today's jump math, you're basically going to be comparing objects, and you're going to be in number 1 on page 97. You're going to be circling the object that has more mass, the object that's heavier. And in number 2 on page 97, you're going to circle the object has less mass. You're going to circle the object that has less mass. And then we don't have one here, but we do have them at school. Maybe you've seen me do this before. I think during science class I might have done this. I can't remember. We've used a scale, a balance scale. So it's just like putting two objects in each of your hand, and if you were a scale, you would tip towards the heavier object. That hand would go down, right? So that's how the balance scales work. So on page 97, you're going to circle the heavier object, which means the object that is bringing the scale down, the side of the scale down. So I think that you're going to have fun with this page. You're going to have fun learning about mass. Think about it. Walk around your house and maybe explore the mass of the objects around you. If you have a scale at home, maybe you could weigh yourself or weigh some objects. That might be fun. All right. Hope it goes well.